Jeff from Nevada Drive Academy. In today's video, we're going to go over where you should stop during the driving test at a stop sign or uncontrolled intersection that has no stop sign. On the driving test, the examiners use the stop sign as their main reference points. If it's an uncontrolled intersection with no stop sign, it's about stopping at the correct position for safety and compliance. But let's break that down. So whenever there's a white line painted on the road, it's generally lined up with the stop sign. Always stop behind the white line, never on it, never past it. How far back should you stop? Well, generally, when the white line disappears from under your hood, make your stop. Sometimes stopping that far back blocks your view of oncoming traffic, but that's okay. You have to make the complete stop at the line. Then you creep forward and you look, make sure you're clear before you commit to your turn. It's okay to stop twice, but if you're clear, you can just go. If you're at a corner with no stop sign and no white line, stop behind the sidewalk if there is one. And that's because you don't want to block pedestrians or force them into traffic walking in front of your car or have to walk behind your car. If you block a pedestrian, it's an auto fail. After you stop, again you creep forward to improve your visibility, and then proceed when you're clear. Let's say there's no line and no sidewalk, you stop at the curb edge, right before entering the intersection. This gives you the best view of oncoming traffic while keeping your car safely out of the cross traffic. A couple questions is, how long is a full stop? A proper stop lasts about 1.5 seconds. You could count to yourself 1, 2, 3. That's a complete stop. Stopping too far back behind the lines makes it look like you're doing a rolling stop. It's also unsafe because you could get rear-ended and it annoys other drivers. Also leaves a bad impression on your examiner that you're unfamiliar with the rules and can actually cost you points on the driving test. So don't stop too far back. If you do, just don't panic, roll forward, come up to the proper position and do your stop there. Then roll forward to C before you commit. Always know your stopping position and how it applies to your particular situation, so you have to be looking ahead. Drop your questions and comments below. I'll respond to all of them. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.